Hey guys, this is Andrew here at Cornfield Crappie Gear, and I'm going to show you how to install your folding monitor mount. So when you receive your package, you're going to have the folding mount, a single bridge, a bottom plate, and an upper plate, and a kickstand. Alright, so the first thing you guys want to do when you get your folding mount is install the bottom plate. And to tell the difference between the bottom plate and the top plate is the bottom has a square knock which fits on the top knuckle of your monitor mount. So it'll pop right on. Then you take your 1/2-13 bolt, button head, and it's a 5/16 Allen wrench. So once you have your bottom plate mounted to your monitor mount, you're going to want to install one of your monitor gimbals to the threaded holes with the 1/4-20 bolts that come with. So once you have your first gimbal plate mounted to the bottom plate for your monitor, you're going to want to install the top plate. Make sure you use the through holes on the top plate and it's facing upwards. So once you line it up, it'll fall in, and then use the nuts that came with to tighten it all down. They're a 7/16 size. So once you get your top plate mounted on, you're going to want to install your top gimbal plate for your top monitor using the button head bolts that came with. And then you're ready to install it to your bridge. So once you have your bridge bolted down to your boat where you want it positioned, you're going to want to install your folding mount with the two front bolts, with the two bolts facing you. And once you have those first two started, then you can take off this clevis here. Pops right off, and a pin will pull out, and you fold the whole unit back. And this is a 3/8 Allen wrench to loosen this bolt. You can swing it out to the side to get to your third bolt. Put that in, tighten it down. Make sure your other bolts are tight. Then swing the whole unit back. Tighten up your center bolt. Then lower everything. Punch your pin in, collapse it, and you're ready to go.